The opening for the main entrance has just been broken open today, and now it's really exciting because you can see where literally thousands of people are going to come in and out of this building, and it really just makes us think it's all been God who has opened these doors. We've been praying about it, we've been dreaming about it, we've been seeking His face. Many of us have been giving, we've been sacrificing, and now as we can really see this project taking shape, and we're just actually about 6 weeks, 7 weeks, 8 weeks, somewhere around there from everything being completed. It's amazing. And so we got someone here that's very instrumental today, and he's someone that's been part of Crossover Church before it was even Crossover at the old campus, and he actually found Christ there about 50 years ago, and he's still with us today. He's our head elder. He's the site superintendent. Many of you guys know him. This is Gordon. So Gordon, did you ever dream or imagine that this was going to be where it's at today?
Had no idea. I know there was that prophecy given back in '79 that it'd be a lighthouse to the world. Well, I guess this is part of it. It's reaching out to a big neighborhood, that's for sure. And I never imagined even in my wildest dreams we'd move a building this big right off.
So in just a matter of weeks, there's literally going to be thousands of people that are going to be coming through this opening, walking into this brand new building. Many of them, they're just going to be coming to check out the new building, see what all the buzz is about, what all the hype is about. Some of them are going to come because someone invited them. Some people are going to be hurt. They're going to be going through some things. They're going to be desperate. They're going to be looking for some kind of peace. Some people are going to come because their kids or their teenager invited them, said, come on. But the fact remains that in just a matter of weeks and days, there's going to be thousands of people in this community that are going to be impacted, that are going to hear the gospel of Jesus Christ. Maybe some of them for the first time, or first time that some of them are really going to get it and connect with them. So that's why all this is happening. That's why we're doing all this. Not so we can have some big grand building and it's going to be nice and everything like that, but it's for the people that are going to walk through these very doors. They're going to stand in this lobby. So I ask everybody that's watching this to be praying for those people. Be praying for divine appointments to take place, that God's going to be preparing their hearts even right now. And continue to pray for all the workers that are in here, for all the work that's happening, the fundraising that's still going on. We thank you guys for your prayers and for your giving. Check out the new link on our website, crossoverchurch.org/growth. Check it out. It's going to give you guys all the details about what's happening with the growth. So, bless you guys.